Hello, I'm Sherry with Solutions by Design, and we are going to go over the different hardware options that Montage has to offer. What you see here is a wall mount. This is perfect for the exam room. In the horizontal layout, we have 6 distinct areas for your widgets. Now, our vertical version, while still includes the same widget library, does look a little bit different. And you can have the vertical version displayed on a wall mount that is hung vertically rather than horizontally, or on our freestanding iPhone Montage board. And here we have our freestanding 55-inch iPhone floor display. Right next to it, I have a 43-inch. These are the 2 sizes available in our freestanding Montage displays. And remember how I was telling you that wall mount can be hung vertically? Well, here it is. So, it's really just a matter of preference, space, and which layout you prefer when setting up your Montage board. If you'd like to learn more about Montage, please visit our website or give us a call. We'll be happy to go over all of the different hardware options we have to offer.